Local SEO is crucial for small businesses because it helps improve your visibility in local search results. Whether you run a brick-and-mortar shop or offer services to a specific geographic area, local SEO helps potential customers find you when they search for relevant products or services nearby. Claim and verify your GMB listing. Ensure your business is verified and properly listed on Google. This is essential for appearing in local search results, especially in Google Maps and the local pack section. Complete all fields. Fill out every section of your GMB profile, including your business name, address, phone number, website, business hours, and category. Add photos and videos. Businesses with photos get 42% more requests for directions and 35% more click-throughs to their websites. Regularly update your GMB profile with high-quality photos of your products, services, and location. Use posts and updates. Keep your audience informed with GMB posts about new services, special offers, or events. Or, what is NAP? NAP stands for name, address, and phone number. Ensuring consistency of your NAP across the web is essential for local SEO rankings. Consistency. Your business name, address, and phone number should be exactly the same on your website, GMB listing, and other business directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and so on. Fix discrepancies. If your NAP is inconsistent, it can confuse search engines and hurt your rankings. Use tools like Moz Local or Yext to ensure your business information is consistent across the web. Use location-specific keywords. Incorporate your city or neighborhood name into your website's content, meta descriptions, title tags, and URLs. For example, best pizza in city or affordable plumber in neighborhood. Research local search terms. Use tools like Google, Keyword Planner, or Uber suggest to identify keywords people in your area are searching for. Use structured data markup. Implement schema.org markup on your website to help search engines understand your business's location and services. This can improve your chances of appearing in local search results and rich snippets. Encourage reviews. Positive reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Facebook not only influence customer trust, but also contribute to higher local search rankings. Always respond to both positive and negative reviews. This shows you care about customer feedback and helps to build trust. Use reviews as social proof. Showcase customer testimonials and reviews on your website to further establish trust and credibility. Write blog posts about local topics. Create content related to your local community, like local events, news, or local customer success stories. For example, how to find the best local contractors in city, or our experience serving customers in neighborhood. If your business serves more than one location, create separate landing pages optimized for each location with relevant keywords and localized content. Linking to local news, local charity events, or sponsoring community activities helps boost your relevance in local search results. Partner with local websites. Work on building backlinks from reputable local sources like newspapers, local blogs, or community websites. Sponsor local events or charities. Getting your business featured on local event websites or charity pages can help you build strong localized backlinks. Create shareable local content. Infographics, local guides, or other highly shareable content can increase the chances of earning local backlinks. Mobile-friendly website. Local searches often happen on mobile devices, so it's essential your website is mobile optimized. Make sure your website is responsive, fast, and easy to navigate on smartphones and tablets. Add a click-to-call button on your website and Google My Business listing to make it easy for mobile users to contact you directly. With the rise of smart speakers and voice-activated assistants, voice search has become a significant factor in local SEO. Optimize your website's content with natural language phrases that people might use in voice searches, like, "Where can I find a plumber near me?" or "Best pizza place in city." Voice searches often pull from featured snippets, so aim to structure your content with clear answers to common questions related to your business. Submit your business to reputable local directories and citation sources. This helps search engines understand your location and relevance. Engage with local organizations, sponsorships, and community events. Being featured in local press or collaborating with other local businesses will help strengthen your local SEO presence. Promote your business and community involvement through your social media channels. Engaging with local customers and followers can signal relevance to local search engines. When posting on platforms like Instagram or Facebook, use geotags to mark your business location. This helps increase visibility in local searches. Effective local SEO for small businesses combines claiming and optimizing your Google My Business listing, using local keywords, gathering reviews, and creating location-specific content. By focusing on these strategies, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in local search results and driving more foot traffic to your business. Encourage viewers to take action by asking them to update their Google My Business listing, collect reviews, and optimize their website for local SEO.